Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a sliding number puzzle with cardboard. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need sturdy cardboard, a reliable ruler, a sharp craft knife, and a protective cutting mat. Don't forget a pencil for marking, strong glue for assembly, and colorful markers to number your pieces. Choosing cardboard at least 1/8 inch thick ensures your puzzle will be robust and long-lasting. Next, we'll construct the puzzle's sturdy frame. Begin by cutting a square base piece from your cardboard, perhaps 6 inches by 6 inches. Then, cut 4 border strips, each measuring 6 inches long and 1 inch wide. Carefully glue these strips around the perimeter of your base piece, creating a shallow box. Ensure the inside dimensions of this frame are just slightly larger than the individual puzzle tiles you'll be making. Now it's time to craft the individual puzzle tiles. Cut 9 square pieces of cardboard, each measuring 1 3/4 inches by 1 3/4 inches. Remember, you will only use 8 of these tiles in the puzzle, leaving 1 out to create the crucial sliding space. Clearly number the 8 tiles from 1 to 8 using your markers. Finally, smooth any rough edges on your tiles to ensure they slide effortlessly within the frame. For the final step, let's assemble your puzzle and get ready to play. Carefully place the 8 numbered tiles into the cardboard frame you constructed. To start the game, arrange the tiles in a random order within the frame. Your goal is to slide the tiles one by one, utilizing the empty space, until they are all in the correct numerical sequence. Enjoy the challenge and satisfaction of your very own handmade sliding number puzzle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.